It's time for change. Each year we attend more than 28,000 false alarms from workplace automatic fire alarms known as AFAs. We want to reduce this number and use this time to do more for the communities we serve. Under option B, which is projected to reduce callouts by 85%, we will call challenge all automatic fire alarms from non-domestic premises. If questioning by our operations control staff confirms there is no fire or signs of fire, then we will not send any fire appliances. Sleeping risk premises will not be exempt from call challenge under this option. This option will not affect how we respond to calls from AFAs that are confirmed as real fires. We will respond to these as we normally would for any emergency. More details on what we class as sleeping risk premises are in our consultation document, Time for Change, which is published on our website. Help us make this change. Make your voice heard. Take part in our consultation and help us make Scotland a safer country for everyone.